Hi, I'm Asavri Joshi. I'm a civil engineer. I have a formal work ex of 20 months as a structural engineer. I did my SIP with Tata Steel as an operations intern. So I used to look for the three things before applying for any SIP process. First, am I fit for the role? Do I have required skill set for the role? Will I like working in that role for the rest of my life? Second, am I fit for the company? Do the values of the company match my values? And third, I used to talk to alums and I used to talk to our seniors who had done internship there. I used to look at Glassdoor reviews to actually see what's the culture of the company. Since it was an operational role, uh, some of the tangible skills that helped me during my internship were um, my ability to analyze the data, process it, understand it, um, some statistical tools, my hands-on knowledge on Excel, and the last and the most important thing was presentation skills, because you have to present whatever you have done in 2 months. You have to present it in 15 minutes, and you have to make people understand what your project was all about, what have you done, what were the results you got. So I guess that was very important to have in my role. There were two things that helped me stand out compared to my fellow interns. First, the kind of project that I was working on, which required me to talk to different employees at Tata Steel. So they also involved me in the monthly meetings. So before my final presentation, I actually spoke to many members in the panel, and they knew me and they knew the kind of work I was doing. And the second thing that helped me stand out was my proactiveness. So in those 2 months, I have learned around 2-3 different skill sets which my mentor knew. Even after my internship, I did a training workshop for some of their engineers to help them make the model that I was making. So I guess this was what helped me stand out. So after the initial shortlist, the first round was a GD. Tata Steel has structured GDs where everyone gets time to put their views on the table. After GD, there was a formal interview wherein they asked me about my work experience and some behavioral questions to see if I'm a fit for their organization. Before the internship, we got around a list of 30 projects wherein we had to give our preferences. Based on those preferences, we were assigned our mentors, and after 2 months of internship, then we finally had our final presentation, followed by a couple of questions by the panel, and based on that, we got PPOs. One thing I wish I knew before my SIP was to zoom out of the project and look at the bigger picture. So while I was working on my project, I was focusing on the deadlines, on completion of the project, on the results. Now, when I look back, I feel that if I have just taken a step back and looked at the bigger picture, I would have come up with more innovative ideas.